We all are aware that you are living in the end days, and with the time being short, life is fleeting. That's why we must live with a sense of urgency. However, the unfortunate reality is that many believers lack the urgency needed when it comes to spiritual matters. Today, God has decided to bless you with the gift of spiritual wisdom through this short but eye-opening message. So consider this as God's wake-up call to live a holy and godly life, a life that won't leave you regretful on judgment day. Distance yourself from iniquities and unrighteousness, abandon sinful behavior, and God will reveal Himself to you. God desires a life that leads to the gift of salvation. Remember, we must see God while He is accessible. Reach out to Him before it's too late. God is calling you to worship, love, and live a holy life that honors His name and leads to salvation. Children of the Lord, wake up. Don't fall asleep on the Lord. The glory of Almighty God is near. Everything in time will reveal itself to those whose eyes are open to the word of the Lord. Avoid distractions from the evils of this world and resist the influence of the devil's agents. God is guiding you through various means to wake up. Open your eyes and be on alert, staying close to God. Besides this, you know the time that the hour has come for you to wake from sleep, for salvation is nearer to us now than when we first believed. So, dear child of God, wake up. Leave your worries and anxieties of this earth at the Lord's feet. He will take care of them. Start living for the Lord. Submit your life to His feet, and He will lift you up beyond your imagination. May God bless you. Type amen to claim the blessings of this day.